Hi, in this video, I will show you how to set up an Express server with Node.js. So let's just start. The first thing I want to do, I want to go to my terminal and I want to run this command, npm init, and press enter, and this will initialize a new Node project. And I got a few questions here. I'm not going to type anything for now. I just press enter. So let's press enter for everything. And that's it. And now we can see we have a new file in our directory, package.json. And this is the package.json file. Now, the second thing I want to do, I want to install Express. So the command is going to be npm install --save to save it to our JSON file, and Express, which is the module we want to install. So let's press enter. Now npm will install Express for us, and we can now see Express added to our package.json file in the dependencies object here. Great. So now we have Express installed. Now what I want to do, I want to create a new file, and I want to call it app.js. And here I want to start to set up the Express server. So I'm going to create a variable const express, and it's going to be equal to require express. Great. And now I'm going to create another variable. It's going to be called app, and app is going to be equal to express, and we need to open a parenthesis and call it. Great. Now what we're going to do, I'm going to go here to the bottom, and I'm going to say app.listen, which is a method to listen to our port. Now we need to select the port. So I'm going to create here another variable. I'm going to call it const port with all capital letters. And it's going to be equal to 5,000, for example. And I'm going to pass here my port. So port, and now I can add a comma and add a callback function. And after this is successful, what I want to do, I want to console.log, and I want to send some message. Server is running on port, and let's add the port variable we created. And this is a common use. You will see many developers doing it that way. Okay, now let's create our first route. So we're gonna say app.get, and now we need to specify our path. So it's gonna be slash for the home route, and we add a comma and another function with an argument of request first, and now response. And let's add the arrow function. And here we're gonna say a simple thing, res.send, and let's just send a string. So we say hello node.js. Perfect. Now let's save our file and let's run it. So let's say node app.js and press enter, and we get the message server is running on port 5000. Great. Now if I go to my browser and I say here localhost column 500 and press enter, we can see our message, hello Node.js. So that's it. This is the basic of how to install Express server in Node.js. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.